How to fix FC card not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to give you some of the methods that would help you to fix the FC24 cards not found problem. So in order to fix it, what you can do is you can simply first check for your internet connection, because you need to ensure that your internet connection is stable and it is working properly, because sometimes the connection issues can cause the problems with loading the in-game content. Next, what you can do is you can simply restart the game. So close the game completely and you just have to reopen it. This can sometimes resolve the minor glitches or the temporary issues. You can even try to update the game. So you need to make sure that the game that you are using is up to date. Developers frequently release the patches and the updates to fix the bugs and improve performances. You can even try to clear the cache. So on PS4 you just have to turn off the PS4 completely, and then you just have to unplug the power cable for a few minutes. Afterwards you need to plug the power cable back in and turn on the PS4. On other platforms you can look for any specific instructions for clearing the cache. You can even try to rebuild the database. So in the PS4 you just have to turn off the PS4 completely, hold the power button until you hear two beeps, then you need to connect your controller with a USB cable and press the PS button, then select the rebuild database from the menu. After that you just have to check the server status, so verify if there is any server issues in the FC24, because sometimes the server maintenance or the outages can cause such issues. You can usually check server status on the game's official website or on their social media channels. If nothing work for you, then what you can do is you can directly contact with the customer support team of the EA platform. So in order to do it you just have to come to ea.com, and over here you just have to click on this bottom section. Here you will be able to see the help center option, so you just have to click on help center, and once you are in the help center section you will be able to see the option that would help you to contact with the customer support team. Next we have is the reinstall the game. So you can even try to reinstall the game, because as uh, this method might work for you if none of the method is working. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.